Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn why 0 factorial is equal to 1. This exclamation mark in front of a number is called a factorial, and no, it doesn't mean that the number is excited to see us. In math, we calculate n factorial by multiplying all the numbers between 1 and n. So n factorial equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 and so on, all the way to 2 times 1. So for instance, 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. This definition seems to fall apart, however, when n equals 0, because 0 is less than 1. So let's try to get a more intuitive understanding of what n factorial represents. Let's say we're trying to figure out the number of ways we can order 3 people in a line. We'll call these people Ace, Bob, and Chris. We could put Ace first, then Bob, then Chris, or we could put Ace first, then Chris, then Bob, and if we go through each possibility, we see there are 6 ways to order these 3 people. We call each of these unique orderings a permutation, so we can also say there are 6 permutations for ordering Ace, Bob, and Chris in a line. But what if we want to know the number of permutations for 20 people? We can't list them out. There are way too many possibilities. So let's look for another way. Returning to Ace, Bob, and Chris, we can see that we have 3 choices for the first person in the arrangement. Then, regardless of who we pick, we are left with 2 people, so there are 2 choices for who goes next in the arrangement, and then we are left with 1 person. So the number of ways to arrange Ace, Bob, and Chris is 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. If we had n people that we wanted to arrange, there would be n choices for who goes first in the arrangement, n minus 1 choices for who goes second, and so on, for a total of n times n minus 1 times all the way to 2 times 1 ways to arrange n people. We've seen this expression before. It is the expression for n factorial. So, n factorial is the number of ways to arrange n unique people in a line. It should now be clear why 0 factorial equals 1. How many ways can we arrange 0 people in a line? Exactly 1 way, with no people being in the line. Hopefully that gives you a more intuitive understanding of why 0 factorial is equal to 1. If you like this video, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button, and leave any thoughts or questions you have in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.